Hi friends, so today I'm going to make pulao. It's a very famous dish. It's made with veal or beef or lamb, for example, and or mutton. Um, Sometimes people make it with chicken as well, but with beef is the most optimum. And if you want extra taste, you can use goat or lamb, which is mutton. So I have taken the blade, the shoulder blade, boneless shoulder blade, and I have taken 2 pieces of oxtail. It was available over there, so I paid like $8 for these 2 pieces, and this pot roast. So just whole the blade, the shoulder blade itself is around 2.66 pounds, so it's pretty decent, and the oxtail is around $8. So yeah, it's decent. So I'm gonna put them in my pressure cooker. But to boil it, I have taken a tablespoon of coriander seeds, a tablespoon of cumin seeds, a tablespoon of fennel seeds. I have taken 1 star anise. I have taken 2 or 1.5 pieces of bay leaves. They're right here. I have taken 4 or 5 pieces of cloves, 5 or 6 pieces of black pepper. I have taken 1 black cardamom, 4 pieces of the green cardamom, right there as you can see. And I have taken 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks, and I'm going to boil this with 2 onions and half a tablespoon of salt. That's it. Made my potli, or my I don't have the word in my mind right now. For I have made a cheesecloth sack, makeshift, and it has got oil and everything. And this is my meat is boiling. I'm gonna throw this in there. I'm gonna wait for it, and I'm gonna put the lid, and I'm gonna let it pressure cook for 1 hour. See you in one. So I have boiled my meat completely. The soup has surfaced. A little bit of oil has surfaced. This is perfectly done. In a big large saucepan, big large saucepan, I have taken some oil. I have thrown some cumin seeds. I have thrown a bay leaf. Over here I have got some cloves, say 9 pieces. Black pepper, say 10 pieces. Green cardamom, say 6 pieces. 1 big cinnamon stick. 1.5 star anise. I'm going to throw this all in. And I have got some ground fennel seeds. I'm going to throw that in as well. Yep, and now I'm gonna strain this beef, and then I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna start cooking. And before everything and all that, I'm gonna put some slivered onions, which are right here, and I'm gonna fry it till they are brown. Okay, meat on one side, and it smells really delicious. Onions and the rest of the spices on one side. I am waiting just for some onions to get a little brownish, and then I'm gonna put my sauce that I have strained from it, and as you can see, this is my sack of spices and the bay leaves and onions. I have discarded them, so yep, I'm gonna put this sauce, which is supposed to be somewhere around 1.5 liters, and if it's less, I'm gonna add some water to it. I'm gonna sprinkle some salt in this, and that's all there is to it. Put rice and let it boil. The yogurt has completely cooked. As you can see, it has started to leave the oil on the surface. That's a sign of yogurt being cooking. Now I'm going to add my rice, and I'm going to add my sauce. Added the rice. Now I took rice 700 grams, so I'm going to add 1.5 liters of the broth, or add some water to it. I have added my broth. I'm going to increase the heat till medium to high, and I'm going to let it cook for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to show you what to do next. So my rice has been boiling for pretty much 10 minutes, and now I can still see some water here and there, but it's going to evaporate pretty soon. And I'm going to cover the pot with the pot lid, and that's all pretty much to it, like this. You see, my oil and water has completely evaporated. Now I have reduced the heat to minimum, and I'm going to let it sit covered with the lid for 10 to 12 minutes. That's all there is to it. So this is how it looks like when it's done. My protein, my beef pieces, they have retained and maintained their shape perfectly. The rice is very well done. They're all separated. There's no clumps whatsoever. And yep, it tastes very, very, very good. And if you like how I made this, do not forget to try it. Thank you.